everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another Talk Tuesday video. This time another episode of self-analysis that I started a long back ago, analyzing yourself better. But this time in another format. I'm not going to bore you guys, so here I am showing you some slides which have some questions and some tips how you can question yourself better and analyze yourself better. एंड पिछली बार मैंने जब की थी तो मैंने खुद से भी वो क्वेश्चंस पुट किए थे एंड आपको अपने भी आंसर्स दिए थे, बट वो वीडियो काफ़ी ज़्यादा लंबा हो गया था. जितना पॉइंट बनता है उतनी ही बात करेंगे. आपका डेटा और आपका टाइम मेरे लिए बहुत प्रीशियस है, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वीडियो विदाउट एनी डिले.
If you're stuck somewhere in your thoughts and need clarity, then keep on watching. Firstly, what is standing in the way of your happiness? Let me know, and if there is something, then I have something for you. You need to identify the problem first and then understand why you are lacking at it and just stick to following the solution. Let us take an example of phone addiction. Now you identified the problem. What you have to do is understand why are you lacking at it, and whatever solution you find, just stick to that solution. So next is, what can I declutter physically or emotionally to find more ease and clearance? So here you need to analyze कि negativity कहाँ से आ रही है. Just try to cut off from that particular person and trust me, it will happen over time. और आप एकदम से ऐसी कुछ भी ख़त्म नहीं कर सकते हो. It will happen over time, but it will happen for good. Ask yourself, what would I be doing if money or other people's opinions didn't hold me back? क्योंकि ज़्यादातर लोग अपने सपने इसलिए ही पूरे नहीं करते क्योंकि उन्हें लोगों के ओपिनियन से बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है या फिर कुछ फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम होती है. तो उसके लिए भी I have solution for you people. Again, deep thinking and research can help you, and just try to find alternatives कि अगर ये नहीं तो ये कर सकता हूँ, ये नहीं तो ये चीज़ बेटर रह सकती है. मतलब alternatives ढूंढो and research will help you. Last but not the least, and also this time पहले मैं आपको आंसर करूँगी and उसके बाद आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछूँगी. Analyze it by yourself. That is it worth taking negativity, overthinking and procrastinating rather than being happy, productive and doing what you want to do? So is it worth doing? The day you will get to know your worth, the day you really analyze it by yourself, that day I promise you nothing can beat you up or make you sad. I believe happiness and sadness both are the phases of life and they are very important, but just don't let your sadness override your happiness.
So that was it about this video. I changed the format this time. तो मुझे बताना कि मैं खुद explain किया करूँ या ऐसे किया करूँ. And do let me know in the comment section how you think about this series, how it is going, and tell me your answer in the comment section. Or if you are not comfortable sharing your answer in the comment section, it's okay. You can text me at Snapchat, LinkedIn or Twitter, and my user handle for all these accounts are Purva Malhotra only. And yeah, also don't forget to share this video with your friends and families too, because they both need this kind of video. I mean, this video might help them somewhere in their life. Also जाने से पहले comment करके जाना कि what kind of video you want to see more and कौन से नीचे पे video देखनी है, क्या देखना है. You can comment down below and I will make it for sure. And don't worry, I'm not forgetting the designing वाला part. अगर आपको नहीं पता कि मैं किस बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, I recently uploaded a video called Things You Can Learn During Lockdown and I will be teaching you guys those things because मैं खुद उसमें 1-1.5 साल से हूँ and I'm doing that things. तो जितना मुझे एक्सपीरियंस है फ्रॉम बेसिक्स टू एक्सपेरिमेंट टू एक्सपीरियंस, वो जर्नी आपके साथ ज़रूर शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. एंड इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड देन लेट मी नो. डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल बिलो द रेड subscribe button. Just click it because I don't want you guys to miss any video of mine, because एक भी मिस हो गई तो वो फ्लो टूट जाता है. And if you already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing and tuning in. I'll meet you people in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay positive, and be grateful for everything you have in your life. Thank you for watching.